Hello student, today we are going to learn what is Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion it says about the inertia, okay. So first law is also we can call it is inertia, laws of inertia, okay. So first we will see, please if you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, okay. So first we will see types of inertia. There are three types of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction, okay. First I will give you example of inertia of rest, okay. What is inertia? Okay, inertia will be the inability of the object to move from one place to another place unless otherwise the external force is applied, okay. There is no external force is applied, the object is not going to move, it's going to be continuous state, okay. The inability of the object, it's change of state of rest or state of motion or change of direction, it is impossible itself to change, okay. I'll give you one example. When we are going in a bus, okay, when bus is started, you are going to move in a forward direction. The reason the bus is there are two system, U and bus, okay. When bus is moving forward, you are keeping your position as a rest, okay. You are going as a bus, when bus is started, you will move backwards. The reason, because of the inertia of rest, okay. So the another thing, when the bus brake is applied, you will move. When moving bus brake is applied, okay, you will move forward. It is inertia of motion. The reason, already you are in the state of motion, you are trying to become as a rest, okay, but its inability to change your state, so that is the reason you are moving forward, okay. That is inertia of motion, okay. Again, inertia of direction, when the bus is turned left side, you will move as a right side, okay. Especially you can observe this in the mountain places, okay. This happened due to the inability of the changes direction itself. That is the reason, it's a inertia of direction is what it is called, inertia of direction, okay. Next thing, it's a I am given as a two example. One boy is two person, it's a less mass is pushing is easily, the 400 kg mass is pushing as a heavy, okay. So more mass is going to offer as a more inertia compared to the less mass, okay. That means more mass will provide us a more inertia, okay. See here, one tumbler, one glass is there on cardboard, then coin is there, okay. So here three system is there, okay. So cardboard is hitting with the hand, okay. So cardboard is going to move away, the coin is going to fall on the water, okay. The reason, the coin is in a rest, cardboard only is in a motion, okay. Two different system, okay. The coin is trying to become as a rest, that is the reason it falls on the water, okay. The another thing, so two things, the little car has less inertia than the bigger truck, okay. So as already I said, okay, less mass will have further less inertia, okay. See, the bus driver is started bus, okay, the passenger is moving backward. The reason is, in a bus is in a motion, the person is trying to keep himself its rest, okay, that is the reason he is moving backwards, okay. See here another thing, the passenger is moving on the bus, the driver is applies the brake, the passenger is moving in a forward direction, it is the reason, it's the inertia of the motion, okay. So the person is in a motion, when the brake is applied, the object is moving in a forward direction, its inability to change its state of motion, okay. That is it's happened due to the inertia of motion, okay. Another thing, one ball, it's a football is rolling on the ground, okay. According to our statement, unless otherwise the external force is applied, the object is not going to become as a rest, but the football, when you are rolling on the floor, it's going to come to the rest, okay. Why it is happened? Because of the frictional force is acting as a external force here, that is the reason it's getting stopped, okay. See here two example, one carom board coin, when we are hitting as a lower coin, the other will be, it's not disturbed, okay, only the lower coin is moving from one place to another place, okay. So it's happened, the other coin will be trying to keep itself as a rest, only the lower coin is moving from one place to another place. Second diagram, first diagram, the rigid support, the car is colliding, okay, collision is happen, okay, the effect, inertia effect you can see observe in the car, okay. So another thing, see two system, one is a car, another one is a camera, okay, camera or bag or something, it's kept on the car, okay. It is a moving car, the car driver is applies the brake, sudden brake, okay. So see, on top of the car, the object is moving one place to another place, it's happened due to the inertia of motion, okay. The object is inability to stop its state of motion, okay. So again, the car driver is moving forward when the brake is applied, okay. the reason its inability to change its state of motion. Okay, it's also inertia of motion example. Okay, see one trolley full of ball, it's moving. Okay, so diagram 1. Diagram 2, the trolley is stopped due to the barrier. Okay, barrier, some obstruction is there. Okay, it's a two system, that trolley and ball is a two system. Okay, when the trolley is getting stopped, ball is going to continue state, so that is the reason ball is falling from the trolley. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I can give with another example. Okay, when we are just given by the branch of the tree, all the fruits will come out. It's a inertia of rest. When we are hitting when we are hitting with the wood with the bed or shoba or carpet, all dust particle will come out. It is the inertia of the rest. Okay, all the rest particle will be trying to continue state. When you are hitting, all the particle will come. Okay, even you can take as a classroom as an example. When you are dusting the particle, it is example of inertia of rest. All the particle is rest. When you are hitting, the particle will come out. Okay, it's changing its state. Okay, so when the bus is taking left, you will be moving in the right. It's a direction of, it's a example of inertia of direction. Thank you.